Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is Lawry's seasoned salt. Now, this is really this is really good. And this is the original one. Okay, I have absolutely grown up. The first time I heard about Lawry's was I went to the restaurant as a child that they have over in LA. I love the food, and it was amazing for me to find out that they actually had a Lawry's seasoned salt in the store. My mom would buy it, and my grandmother would buy it, and so many family members would buy it, and I absolutely grew up on Lawry's. It's absolutely an excellent seasoning salt. It's has a special flavor to it. It's very unique, very much used in just about every aspect of cooking. The good thing about Lawry's is you could pretty much put it on just about anything you want. I cook with it. I cook with it for breakfast. I'll use it on my eggs. I'll use it on all kinds of meat, especially meat. I mean, you can't not have this on meat. Actually, I use it on noodles sometimes when I make a special kind of concoction that I fix up. I use that along with some other seasonings, but Lawry's is probably the main one. The main seasoning that I use on it. It's really good on if you don't want just plain popcorn. You can put this on your popcorn, mix it, like make your popcorn first, just like normal, with your butter and everything. And then instead of putting salt, you put this, and it gives it that special flavor. I've been eating probably since I was maybe 12. Yeah, it's special. It's very good. Lawry's also goes very good on fish, especially catfish or any kind of fillet, flounder or bass. It's really good on there. It brings out natural flavor of sea life. I mean, I've never tried it on like any kind of shellfish like crab or lobster or anything like that, but I know it goes really good on steak, pork chops, things like that. And like I said, all kinds of different filleted fish, especially catfish. But what I really like it on, and it probably is the most thing I use it on, is when I'm frying my chicken. Yeah, this mixed with when you use this with black pepper, it's special. It really brings out a absolutely great flavor in the food. I mean, that concoction together is just, Lawry's and black pepper just go together like peas and carrots, right? Yeah, it's really good. I like it a lot. And my grandmother has all kind of different recipes that she uses this for. It's also used a lot in Cajun cooking, down home Southern type cooking, It's like a must-have. Yeah, it's really good. It's a special kind of flavoring. I haven't tried too many different Lawry's seasoned salt. I think there's different ones. I think there's actually one that has black pepper mixed in it. I'm not sure, but I might have seen that somewhere. But I am true to the original mixture here. It's very good, very good. I can't imagine anybody saying it's anything wrong with it. I mean, it's the seasoning salt. I mean, I know there's a lot of different kinds out there are on the market, and they're probably very good too. And I'm not saying this is the only one I use. This one I've used the longest, and it's really, really good. And it's a reddish color. You see, comes out, well, kind of orangish. Yeah, it looks yellow on film, but it's actually like kind of an off orange. Yeah, it's just really good. I can't imagine anybody not liking Lawry's. It's really good. All right, guys. Well, I hope you used this information. And today we are talking about Lawry's seasoned salt, the original blend. Okay? Hope you guys used it. I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.